The range for a list of measurements equals the greatest measurement minus the least measurement. The two lists of measurements, X and Y, combined consist of 30 measurements with a range of 25. What is the range of the measurements in list X? Okay, so we got two sets of numbers here. So we got list X and we got list Y. And all we know is that between them, so the highest number between them minus the lowest number between them is 25. Now, so we don't know, does the highest number come from list Y and the lowest number come from list X? Or does the highest number and the lowest number come both from list X? Or does the highest and lowest number both come from list Y? Or does the lowest number come from list Y and the highest number comes from list X? All of those four possibilities are possible, unless we know something about our numbers. So let's see if we can figure something out about our sets. The range for the 12 measurements in list Y is 20. Okay, so let's come up with an example that Y could be. So the range is 20. So let's say the biggest number here is 60 and the smallest number here is 40. So now all that matters is the range overall has to be 25. So let's say the smallest number in X is 35. And then I can make the highest number here say 50. And so in this case, everything checks out because our overall range is 25 and our range for list Y is 20. And so then it asks what is the range for list X, and here we get a range of 15. So is it possible to come up with numbers where I get a range for list X other than 15? So let's think about this. If I were to say if I were to use the same list Y, 40 and 60, and then choose values for X of 65 and 55 for the lowest. So in this case, everything still checks out. My range overall is 25, it looks like. And my range for Y is still 20. And my range for X is 10. So this should be insufficient. Now, statement 2 says list X consists of 18 measurements. So we also knew that from the first statement. If list Y has 12 measurements and I got 30 overall, I have no idea what the number of measurements in our lists has to do with anything. Because they don't say all our values have to be different. So we can just repeat as many of our measurements as we have to fill in our list. So I don't think this is telling us anything. And we don't even have to look at them together because I don't think the number of measurements is relevant at all. So this is going to be E.